Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover record. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover table-based record. We can create record variable using existing table, view, or cursor as reference, using row type or type, which is called as implicit record. We can assign one record variable to another record variable, if both record variables have same fields. We can use implicit record to insert record into table, as well as update record in table. In the next program, I am going to cover cursor-based record. We can define cursor and create record variable using cursor as reference. We can fetch records from cursor into record variable and access values using record variable.field name. In the next program, I am going to cover user-defined record. We can create record using type record name as record, field definitions separated by comma. We can add optional not null constraint for field definitions and set default value by assigning value or using default keyword. We can create variable for record using record name or using percentage type. We can assign value and access value of variable fields using variable name.field name. In the next program, I am going to cover nested record. We can create record and use it as field while creating another record, which will be called as nested record. We can assign value and access value of variable using variable name.nestedRecord name.field name. In the next program, I am going to cover collection as record field. We can create collection and use it as field while creating record. We can assign value for variable using default constructor and access value using variable name.field name, index within parenthesis. In the next program, I am going to cover assign record value using select query. We can insert value from select query into record variable using select column names into record variable query and display the values assigned to record variable using record variable.field name. In the next program, I am going to cover assign record value using DML statements. We can assign record value using returning column names into record variable as last statement in insert statement, update statement, and delete statement. In the next program, I am going to cover record as parameter in procedure. We can define procedure with parameter as record, define record variables, and assign values to record variable, and we can call procedure by passing record as parameter. In the next program, I am going to cover record as parameter and return type in function. We can define function with parameter and return type as record, define record variables, assign values to record variables, call the function, and assign the record returned by function to another record variable, and we can access record field values using record variable name.field name. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy eBook on Oracle PL SQL interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.